Crashing along the Severn estuary on surfboard, canoe and kayak. This was a so-called five-star bore at Broadoak this morning. Around 30 people took to the water here for a feat of nature caused by the high tide surging along the river. And today there is a heightened flood risk after the wave passes.
We still have a severe flood warning in the area, and it's really important that people heed that warning. And we want people, as soon as they've seen the board, to leave the area. We've had notification from the police that they are going to be closing some of the roads because we do expect some overtopping once again.
This was Aberystwyth on the West Welsh coast, clattered once again last night by 80-mile-an-hour winds. It's 4 weeks since students here were first evacuated from their accommodation because of the storms. And last month was the wettest January on record for parts of southern England. Now, in the Midlands, southwest and southeast, around 150 properties have been flooded. In Somerset, the fire service has organised its biggest ever draining operation.
We've got 8 high-volume pumps moving in excess of 3 million litres an hour, which is equivalent to about 1 Olympic swimming pool's worth of water every hour.
Over in Limerick in Ireland, dozens of people have been rescued from their homes this weekend after the River Shannon burst its banks.
The army, they've all been dropping down here with sandbags. But it's the locals here that have really chipped in. They've got boats out, brought people from their houses, brought food down to the houses. Like the lads down here, they've been at this all morning, they've been in the cold water freezing.
The bore may have attracted the intrepid as well as the crowds, but there are still severe flood warnings in this part of the Midlands. People are being told to keep away from the riverbanks as the water level rises yet again. Nick Beak, BBC News.